Okay, what it is doing? It is protecting the brain. Okay, so the skull is not only the single bone. There are totally 22 bones are come under the skull. Okay, if you are seeing the dividation, so skull में total कितनी bones आते हैं? 22 bones आते हैं. See, these 22 bones are divided in two parts. Two parts, two ways. What are the two ways is there? See, first one is the cranium bone. Okay, and second one is the facial bone. Okay, now these 22 bones are divided in two ways. Otherwise the skull is divided in two ways, cranium bones and the facial bones. Now we are going to see cranium bones. See, skull के अंदर total cranium में 8 bones आती है. How many bones are coming in cranium? 8 bones. As well as in facial bone there are the totally 14 bones is there. How many bones is there? 14 bones. Now these 8 bones. Okay. Now this cranium bone 8 that we are going to see. See, front size पे जो bones रहती है उसका नाम रहता है frontal bone. क्या नाम रहेगा? Frontal bone. Okay. So skull में frontal bone total 1 रहती है. Okay. इसी तरह दूसरी बोन जिसका नाम रहता है parietal bone. Parietal bone. Now parietal bones, there are the two bone is there, which is nothing but the parietal. After that is nothing but the temporal bone. Temporal bone. Temporal bone is nothing but it is also two bone is there. Okay. After that next one is the occipital bone. नेक्स्ट बोन क्या है? ऑक्सीपिटल बोन. ये भी वन रहती है. नेक्स्ट है इथिमोइड एंड द लास्ट वन इज द स्पिनोइड. सो ये दोनों बोन भी 1 रहते हैं. सो इफ यू आर काउंटिंग 1 + 2 + 2 + 1 + 1 + 1, इस तरह से क्राइनियम में टोटल 8 बोन्स आएंगे. After that we are going to see the second part, which is nothing but the facial bone. Okay, जो frontal views पे present करती हैं. Now facial bones. In facial bone there are the total 14 bone is there. What are the bone is there in facial is coming? So first bone is nothing but the nasal bone. Okay. After nasal bone, second one is the lacrimal bone. It is presenting in front of lacrimal. Nasal means it is nothing but related to, otherwise near to the nose. Okay, in between the septal dividation there is also one bone is present, which is nothing but known as the Umar bone. Okay, after that is the zygomatic. Okay, after zygomatic, inferior nasal concave. Next, maxilla and the mandible. Okay, when the question will come only the one bone which is movable into the skull, it is nothing but mandible bone. Like this the 14 bones will come under the, as well as one bone also will come, sorry, that is nothing but a palatine bone. Okay, like this 14 bone plus this 8, so 14 plus 8, it is equal to total bones are is there in skull, that is nothing but the 22 bones are present into the skull. This is the superficial, that is nothing but denoting up to 22 bones. Okay, so which are, as we all study, this bone is known as the frontal bone. Okay, this total bone is known as the frontal bone, as well as you go back side. Okay, this bone is known as the parietal bone. Okay, this bone is known as the parietal bone, and here will be the one bone is there, that is known as the temporal bone. Okay, this bone is nothing but the temporal bone, and this bone is known as the occipital bone. Okay, this bone is known as the occipital bone. As you go in front side, okay, total bones are there in the cranium. There are the 8 bones are present into the cranium, as well as when you are discussing about the facials. Okay, so total bones in facial, that is nothing but the 14 bones are there in facial, which is nothing but this bone is known as the Omer bone. Okay, this bone is nothing but the Omer bone, and we are discussing this bone is nothing but nasal bone. Okay, here we discuss the cranium bone side by side. When you go inside here, there will be the ethmoid, and backside of this is there is nothing but the sphenoid bone. Okay, so total bones into the skull, there are the 8 bones is there into the cranium. Okay, and total bones into the facial, that is nothing but a 14 bone is there, which is nothing but this bone is known as the nasal bone, this bone is known as the Omer bone. Okay, Omer bone. As you go backside here, downside, this area, okay, below the nasal, this area is known as the inferior nasal concave. What is this bone? This bone is nothing but the inferior nasal concave. Side by side here you are going to see this bone. This bone is known as the zygomatic bone. What is this bone? This bone is nothing but the zygomatic bone. As you go down, okay, this palatine area, this bone is known as the palatine bone. What is this? Palatine bone. Okay, see, downside there will be the mandible and maxilla is there. So this bone is nothing but the maxilla. Okay, this is known as the maxilla. What is this bone? This is maxilla. And as we are seeing the chewing bone, okay, this chewing bone is known as the mandible bone. What is this? This is mandible bone. Like this, total are is there. There are the 20